No matter how many vocabulary you mug up, but until and unless you try to develop deep and genuine connectivity with them, you will not be able to use them at all. And how can you develop that connectivity with any word? Let's try to understand it by taking the example of one advanced but very beautiful word, which is nuances. I remember when first time I got to know about this word and asked Google to provide me the meaning, then this is what Google provided me. A small difference in sounds, meaning, feelings, etc. कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया ना. Don't you worry, मुझे भी कुछ समझ में नहीं आया था. Fortunately, I used my mind and went to ChatGPT and asked very precisely that ChatGPT, please tell me that हमारे रोज़मर्रा की बोलचाल की भाषा में न्यूएंसेस का क्या मीनिंग होता है और मुझे इसे अलग अलग सिचुएशन और अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस में भी यूज़ करके बताओ. Fortunately, ChatGPT provided me all those information which literally blew my mind, and first time I understood that how easy this word is to use in our daily speaking. And that meaning of nuances was barikiyan, means minute details of something. And the moment I understood this meaning and some ready-made sentences from ChatGPT, automatically my mind also started making my own sentences related to my daily life. Let's take some of them. Number one, टेस्टी खाना बनाना सबके बूते की बात नहीं होती है, इसमें बहुत ही बारीकियाँ होती हैं. Cooking tasty food is not everyone's cup of tea. It has so many nuances. Number two, अगर हम एक एडवांस लेवल इंग्लिश स्पीकर बनना चाहते हैं तो हमें इस भाषा की बारीकियों पे काम करना होगा. If we want to become an advanced level English speaker, then we will have to work on the nuances of this language. Number three, कंप्यूटर के इस मॉडल को कॉपी करना आसान नहीं है, इसमें बहुत ही बारीकियाँ हैं, इसकी बहुत ही बारीकियाँ हैं. It's not an easy task to copy this model of computer because it has many nuances. See guys how easy this word is to use in our daily speaking. So always remember, whenever you feel like using any word, then first of all you will have to develop connectivity about which I am talking, and only then you will be able to start using it confidently in front of anyone. Thank you.